Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will share with you how I make this delicious and simple Ghanaian corned beef stew. So for this stew I used canned tomatoes, tomato paste, spices, onions, powdered pepper, salt, garlic powder, oil, and of course corned beef. Start with cutting the onions. Then blend the tomatoes. Heat the oil over medium fire and cook the onions for about 5 minutes. Then add the powdered pepper and cook it for another minute. I used powdered African bird eye pepper, but you can use any other hot pepper powder that you have. Now add the tomato paste and mix it with the onions. Cook it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the blended tomatoes. And in this case, I added additional tomato puree. I do that whenever I want a bit more stew without having to blend an additional can of tomatoes. So now I'm going to lower the heat a little bit and allow it to cook for about 5 minutes with a splatter screen on it. Now it's time to add the salt, garlic powder and spices and cook it for an additional 5 to 7 minutes. I used the spice mix I made myself, but you can use any other spice mix you like. Now add the corned beef and mix it into the stew. So at this point, you can decide whether you want small or big chunks of corned beef. If you want to have more visible or bigger chunks, be careful to not stir too much. Then cook it for an additional 5 to 7 minutes over a low to medium fire to allow the corned beef to soak up the flavor of the stew. I like to eat this with rice, but I would love to know what you like to eat this with. So let me know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.